Are you looking for the best folding card tables? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best card tables on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. VINGLI 32 Round Folding Commercial Banquet Table. This round banquet table has a unique design that allows it to be one of the best of its kind. The tabletop is made of high-density polyethylene. The molding technology used for the table makes it stronger and crack-free. It can carry about 600 pounds of weight. The tabletop is also waterproof, allowing it to be used outdoors as well. The locking system is a single-side pull-clasp lock design. This unique lock successfully prevents accidental collapsing. The table is strong and sturdy. The folding system is easy to operate and takes no extra force at all. The table folds flat, taking up less storage space when storing. The VINGLI table can be used for multiple uses. You can use it as a card table, cafeteria table, banquet table, outdoor table, or more. This table can seat 2 to 4 people at a time. The total weight of the table is 14 pounds. It is incredibly lightweight and portable. This table is a great option for a round card table. However, it may take you a little time to get used to the lock. Number 2. Flash Furniture for Player Folding Game Table. This table is made specifically for playing games. So, it is perfect for any kind of game including mahjong, poker, and many more. The tabletop has a green felt in the mid area and a raised area for whenever you want to keep your belongings, money, or other gambling tokens you use. The design brings a real game vibe wherever you play. So, this table is perfect for your next family tournament. The gray powder-coated steel legs of this folding table lock up nicely. The structure is sturdy and stable, with the capability of holding up to 220 pounds of static load. So, it won't wobble when you accidentally happen to lean on it while playing your favorite game. When not in use, these legs can be folded up neatly along the back of the tabletop. The legs fit right beneath the raised white part of the top. The dimensions of this table are 34.5 by 34.5 by 29 inches. It weighs around 25 pounds and is portable enough. You can take it out to your patio, garage, or anywhere you would like to hang out with your family and friends. The tabletop also has cup holders which are perfect for family game times. You can drink your favorite drink and have a nice time playing games at this table. This folding table square can seat up to 4 people. It is also durable and easy to clean. The legs come with grips to prevent scratching. Overall, this is a nice portable folding table and is one of the best among playing card tables. Number 3. Stakmore Scalloped Edge Foldable Wooden Table. This premium wood folding card table is a perfect addition to your home. It looks good in any setting and is convenient to use. The table comes with a traditional flowing scalloped edge. You can use it as a dining table or work table. If you are on a budget and are looking for an affordable table that is still efficient, this table is perfect for you. The Stakmore Scalloped Edge table comes assembled. So, there are no complex procedures you have to follow to use this table. Just snap the legs of the table and lock it in position. The table is sturdy and the lock will stabilize the table. When you are done using it, you can fold the legs and store it. The legs will fold diagonally across the back of the top. When folded, it is 3.37 deep and will take much less storage space than any regular table. You can buy either a cherry or fruitwood table according to your preference. This seats 4 people and is extremely useful around the house. However, the legs may scratch your floor. So, be careful when you move it around. Other than that, this table is incredibly durable and has much worth for the price. Number 4. Office Star Resin Multipurpose Rectangle Table. Office Star has a great collection of a card table set perfect for every occasion. Although these tables are mostly aimed at as office tables, you can implement one of these as a playing card table or outdoor table. This Office Star Resin Multipurpose table is rectangular in shape. So, it can seat more people and is perfect for all kinds of occasions. The card table dimensions of this are 24 by 48 by 29.25 inches. However, the height of the table is adjustable, making it super convenient. The four adjustable heights of this table are 22.5 inches, 29.5 inches, 32.5 inches, and 35.5 inches. The multi-lock mechanism of the legs prevents this table from wobbling or breaking down when adjusted. As for the top, the surface is made of resin. This heavy-duty, blow-mold, light gray resin top is highly durable. It can withstand scratches and is impact-resistant. If you happen to run into some rain while using this outdoors, no worries. The tabletop is entirely waterproof. So, a little tea or coffee spill wouldn't leave any marks behind either. It is easy to clean and is a sturdy top. The rest of this table is made of light gray powder-coated steel tube framing. These legs are long-lasting and will provide you with the stability required. To open, simply snap up and use the fasten the lock. The table normally does not budge. However, if you are putting maximum weight, it may become a bit wobbly. This table comes with all parts intact, so you can use it as soon as you get it. The table can be folded in half and locked for easy storage. It also includes two built-in handles. This adds more portability to the heavy table that weighs around 23 pounds. When folded, this table is very compact and slim. So, storage is easy too. The Office Star Resin rectangle table can be used for many occasions. You can sew on it, use it as a dining table, play cards, or put it in your office as your office table. It is a convenient table and we highly recommend it if you are looking for a rectangular table. If you need an adjustable table that is either round or square-shaped, Office Star will give you these options too. All Office Star tables feature the durable resin top and steel frame. Number 5. Coleman Camping Table. Owning a folding outdoor table can come in handy if you frequently go on camping. These are perfect for serving food while outside, and you can also use them for playing cards or board games. This Coleman table is made for outdoor use. It can handle up to 100 pounds of weight and still be stable. So, if you love camping, this is a great table to invest in. The stability of the Coleman camping table comes from the four legs that are slightly tilted outside. This tilt allows the table to stand straight even when you happen to slightly push it by mistake. So, you can confidently keep a water jar and count on this table to not sway an inch. The table consists of a sturdy steel frame and an aluminum slat top that can be rolled up. So, the square folding table is also very durable. It is very easy to open up this folding card table. The steel frame is made of a snap-together design that allows you to set it up and break it down whenever you need to. The aluminum top should be unrolled and secured to the frame with plastic clasps. Because the top is separate, when broken down, this table is pretty compact. It can be arranged neatly to a carry tote with handles for easy carrying. The weight of this whole folding board game table is around 8 pounds. So, it is not too hard to carry this table around. The 8x8 by 28.5 inches dimensions make this the perfect folding hobby table. This table can seat 4 adults around the 4 sides. And, the aluminum top is very easy to clean. So, when it gets dirty with food or anything else, wiping it down will keep the top clean. However, because of the design of the steel frame, there is barely any leg space under the table. Also, the plastic grips that hold the aluminum top are much less durable than the top and the frame. These two things are the only negatives we saw on this Coleman camping table.